Hey guys! If you're getting error 0x87E0000D while installing or updating games on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, don't worry, this video will help you fix it. First, make sure your gaming services are working properly. If there's any issue, you can repair them through the Xbox app or use the official repair tool from Microsoft. If the problem still continues, sign out from both the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, then sign back in again. This often fixes account-related issues. Next, check that your date, time, and time zone are set correctly. Also, make sure your region settings match your actual location. Sometimes games fail to install from one app, so you can try installing them directly from the Microsoft Store library. After that, clearing the cache can really help. Delete the Microsoft Store local cache, run the WSReset command, and repair or reset both the Xbox app and Microsoft Store from settings. Finally, make sure all important Windows services are running properly, such as Xbox services, gaming services, Windows Update, and IP Helper. Also, keep your system updated and ensure TLS settings are enabled to avoid future installation issues. Following these steps should get your Xbox app or Microsoft Store games installing without error. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes.